Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another vlog. So, right there is a gutter from the house, and I'm going to clean it. So I decided to blow the excess leaves that might stuck, and yeah, so I'll show you. So right here, I use this brush to sweep the dirt all the way to there. So right there, I clean already, and that is still on the process. Maybe soon, if I have money, I'll buy a screen so that the leaves will fall here and then it will just slide. Right? Home maintenance 101. Cleaning your gutter. Oh my gosh, my hair is very long already, getting old, and I haven't shaved. Alright, so here is an LED lantern. I just installed this. Let's go outside.
Crank back or forward? I don't want to do that. I'm scared. There's no zero. There's no zero. 5. What's 4? I don't want to do this. Wait, forward? I don't know. Forward. I don't know. Forward. Forward. Get the 2 hands. Fresh means just fresh.
Other way, other way.
We don't even have others. Because we don't have it. Ian, that's so scary. Number 3, October 3.
Yay, happy birthday!
He gets all up in it. The next person's getting it for sure.
I think. And that's Adi. No, what is it? 3? 5.
Oh, you're lucky.
I'm not gonna get it. Lord, just help me.
It's been really hard to forecast opening month of the season, hasn't it? But Patriots have given up the most points in the league. The first 2 weeks, as you just saw.
Oh, your turn, babe.
Ian's turn.
No, I did
It's
already.
your turn yet.
What did you do?
You didn't do. Open wide. Oh Lord, I got so much. 5. What the hell?
Cheat. Let me see this real quick.
Bucket! No, that's not fair.
Nice. It might get 1,
Okay, open my eyes.
2,
3, 4.
4.
One more.
Oh, okay.
Oh my
Get your
god.
face in there, babe.
I'm scared.
It ain't gonna hurt you.
Alright, so we're here watching a Seahawks game with Adi.
Hello.
And also it's Christmas birthday, so we kinda like cook food, grill, eat together with friends. And guess what? Jasper is here! Jasper! as well. Huh? Oh, poor thing. It's on the cage. This one.
Now get 0%
Seahawks fans
for 60 months.
with their uniforms.
You will eat Jack's bread.
I know. Foods. All right, let's visit Chelsea. Oh, I was about going to. We're playing games in your hiding.
Finish my homework.
Oh, you finished your homework. Good job.
Did this already?
Yeah.
It's your turn. No, thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Again?
Happy birthday.
Oh, yeah, just sing. I know.